Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy 23X back in the building. Feel me? And today y'all we got why people say bless you after a sneeze. Feel me? Word. This is the GOAT right here, Lou Ratchet, bro. Feel me? That's all I gotta say. But anyways, if you want to see lit content like this every single day, bro, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I literally post every single day, bro. You can't go wrong with some lit content. Feel me? It'll make your day. Feel me? Word. Hit that sub button. Let's get straight into the video, bro. Feel me? Word.
What's up, bro? You ain't hear about it? That nigga sneeze. Everybody seen it. Everybody was out there. I'm out there in the yard doing something. Next thing you know, some pollen gets in the nigga nose. I'm up in this motherfucker. Bro, I ain't think I was gonna make it.
Bro, this nigga is so stupid, bro. This is a legend, living legend right here, bro.
I can't be around nothing that's gonna make me sneeze. Be here for a couple more weeks, I'm gonna be good. I'm gonna just have to stay indoors. I can't eat no more pepper. Tell me you ain't gonna let me sneeze again, nigga. Don't let me sneeze again.
Like, where does he come up with these video ideas, bro?
I know that much. But you bring me some? They brought me some nice little clothes. I don't know who brought that one. You bring some food? They ain't bring no food. They can't fit here, can they? They bring.
Hey, bro, I know y'all niggas hear the fucking medical shit in the background too, bro. This nigga's stupid.
Yeah, they been giving a nigga sponge baths too. I roll over, let him hit my back a little bit. You handle that business for me? Get the nurse for me. Tell the nurse, bring me in some more animal crap. This is all new to me. I ain't know a nigga had allergies.
Hey, bro, that hospital bill finna be hectic, bro.
See me. I appreciate you. I was in there, had a couple visitors. Nobody really. What's that? You got some cologne? Back up, bro.
Hey, bro, that's the end of the video right there, feel me? That's a GOAT, Lou Ratchet, bro, feel me? Word. It's your boy 23React, so that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, feel me? Also, check out my fucking link in the description, bro, to my Patreon. It's lit on that side, bro. Tune in. Other than that, I'm up out of here, bro. Peace.